Hello children, welcome to the social science class. In previous class, we have learnt about community, features of community, agricultural activities, non-agricultural activities and equipment. Children, now we shall learn about urban community. That is about mega city, kind of jobs engaged in city, population, problems you face in the city, environmental hazards due to development cities, traffic jam, slum area, pollution in industrial areas, and water pollution. Urban community. In urban community, first one is mega city. A mega city is a very large city, typically with a population of more than 10 million people. Students, do you know which country has more mega cities? United States, Brazil, Pakistan and Japan. Next come people migrate to cities in search of jobs and for better education. People in cities are engaged in different occupations. Students, do you know the meaning of migrate? The meaning of migrate is moving from one place to another. And what are the different occupation? The different occupation are like doctor, painter, mechanic, computer operator and engineer. Students, let us have a brief discussion on types of occupation. First one, doctor. What do you mean by doctor? Anyone with a doctorate can be called as doctor. A person who is qualified to treat people who are ill. Second one, painter. The painter is an artist who paints picture, a person who coats walls or other surfaces with paint as his or her occupation. Third one, mechanic. A mechanic who repairs and maintains engines and other machineries as his occupation. The similar word for mechanic is technicians. They will study the behavior of physical bodies and replaces the required equipments. Fourth one is computer operator. A computer operator is a role in IT which oversees the running of computer systems to make sure that the machines and computer are running properly. Fifth one is engineer. An engineer is a person who uses scientific knowledge to design and maintain engines and machines, and also a person who structures such as road, railways and bridges, and also who repairs mechanical and electrical devices. Next, teacher. A teacher is a person who helps students to gain knowledge, and also the job is to teach in school or colleges. The similar word for teacher is educator. This is about occupations. Students, here are some pictures which give a complete picture of a city. Look at these pictures.
Definition of industrial pollution. Industrial pollution is the pollution which can be directly linked with industry. Industrial pollution can also impact air quality and it can enter the soil, causing widespread environmental problems. Definition of overpopulation. Overpopulation means the condition of being populated with excessively large numbers. Definition of banking. Banking is an industry that handles cash, credit, and other financial transactions. Banks provide a safe place to store extra cash and credit. They offer savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and checking accounts. Banks use these deposits to make loans. Definition of hospital. Hospital means an institution providing medical and surgical treatment and nursing care for sick or injured people. Definition of garden. Garden is a large public hall and a piece of ground adjoining a house in which grass, flowers, and shrubs may be grown.
India has nearly 5,000 cities, like metropolitan city in Mumbai and Bangalore. There are 27 cities with a population of 1 million or more. Bengaluru, our capital city of Karnataka, is one among them. Is called as Silicon City and Garden City. Children, what do you see when you visit a city? You can see traffic, buildings, museum, temples, complex, playground, office, garden, school, restaurant. Children, what are the problems you face if you are living in a city? First one is housing problem in cities. Second, traffic jam. Third, pollution in industrial areas. Fourth, disposal of garbage. Fifth, slum areas. Sixth, water pollution. Students, let us discuss about environmental hazards due to the development of cities. Student, what is the meaning of hazards? Environmental hazard means a bad impact, danger or risk facing by developed city. So, what are the environmental hazards? First one is pollution created by industry. Second, waste of water. Third, solid waste. Fourth, air pollution. Fifth, noise pollution. Sixth, traffic. Students, what is underground drainage system? Do you know, children? Underground drainage system is the general term given to the system of pipes and fittings that is installed below ground level to transport foul drainage or rainwater flows to a sewage treatment facility, or in the case of rainwater, a soak away or water course. Next one is supply of pure drinking water. Supply of pure drinking water means which controls diseases and give healthy life. Next, well developed bus stands and railway stations which controls pollutions like noise pollution. Next, ring roads in the outskirts of the city which controls traffic in a city by avoiding large vehicle to enter the city. Last one, developing gardens. Developing gardens will provide more oxygen to each and every person, and also city looks clean and beautiful. Students, let us have discussion on responsibility of citizen. Keeping city clean, and people should cooperate with government and should live with love and friendship. Students, till now we have discussed second part of community, that is urban community. In this community we have learnt about mega city, types of occupation, types of jobs, about city, the environmental hazards, programs undertaken by government to solve problems, and responsibilities of every citizen.